Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi kan reu terek unopra, ki arngot ki reu pau khmat kanong ba, Shillong ki bomde ki khasi, ki ai so bahar kawai ke kali ket medyam, Shakatnat Meghalaya Police jongka East Castles District, ban panankam haki jingja bekerke nakabanta ki pajba. Ya kane ka mortuary ban la IT henne kasngi, Shakatnat Pulet jongka East Castles, haka jingalang ka balalong Hasadar Police Station, Shillong. Kini ki arngot kirang ba barjala ki balano senyang ya kani ka kali ket medyam ki kentom Hiu Raju Longwani Padu Kamal Agarwal. Kom si benta ban pendan buram ya ka kerteng jongki kime jongki ki balkhlat no nagani ka perthai ka parpati Longwani bat ka Satya Bama Agarwal. Hakani ke jelang ni kasngi Hasadar Police Station kini ki arngot kirang ba ki IT ya kani ka kali hau SP ka East Castles District u Davis Marang ringkat ke jiran lang ki wede ki officer jongkani katnat pulet.
It is a proud privilege for me to accept this mortuary van on behalf of the District Police. I would like to mention here that we have something called the District Welfare Society. It is on behalf of this District Police Welfare Society that we will be accepting this mortuary van. Just to give a background on what actually is the purpose for this mortuary van is that in the police, a lot of people look to the police when in times of difficulties, in times of need. And one of the major requests that usually comes to the police is for a mortuary van when someone dies. We have been, as a part of our responsibility to the public, we have been helping out people in taking dead bodies to other places outside Shillong. And this request usually comes from rural areas. And many a times, the poor people, they would request us to transport the dead bodies of the loved ones to rural areas. And many a times, we also oblige. Unfortunately, we do not have a mortuary van. So what happens is we use our official police trucks many a times to transport dead bodies.